Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 90T. Here T means transparent and the pen has a silver cap which has a green color trim set and which has a golden clip and a golden ring on the cap. And here there is another ring on the bottom. And here this is a breather hole in the cap which prevents the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or blood ink through the nibs. And here this pen has a thread type mechanism. To open you need to unscrew, and this is number 5 nib which fine tip and gold plated, and you can swap the nib as you like since we have number 5 nibs in many brands, and usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs where you have fine, medium, broad nibs, and again with gold, dual tone and full silver plated nibs also. And for that you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here, since the holding area diameter is a smaller one, this is more suitable pen for little fingers like school going children. And here all the threads are tend to worn out, so to increase the life of the threads, please apply a silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open or close the grip area during the ink fill. And also, whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. Fill the ink below the inner threads of the barrel. If you fill in excess, leakage path will be created and you will spoil your hands. And the most important thing in pen maintenance is actually importantly in fountain pen, especially in eyedroppers. Please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it blocks the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will have a scratchy writing, and in a sign slowly ink will dry quickly, and then you have to shake your pens frequently for the ink to come out. So I think you may have experienced this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean and deposit the dirts, and please remove the feeder unit and the nib separately by holding the nib and the feeder together and twist and pull. Yeah, this is so easy to take out the feeder unit from the grip area, and it's also so simple to fix it back. And here then flush the feeder with the help of toothbrush and clean well in the soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And this is so simple to fix it back. Yeah, that's it. And in some ink bottle itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So let me show the sample. In Brill bottle it is given as clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is given here, and this is a dye based ink. And as it is so clear, unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And the second important thing is nib tuning, fine tuning. That is because during manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down like this, so that a space is created between the tines. This allows a good flow of ink, and then in turn you will get a smooth writing. Then please ensure both the tines are in parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. Now I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Yeah, the writing is so good and smooth. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.